Hello everyone. British Airways has launched its first direct flight from London to Tbilisi. Direct flights from the UK to Georgia will help increase tourism. Tbilisi City Hall plans to build a 7.5-kilometer tram line from Didi Digomi to Didube metro station. The new route will have 11 stops. The total duration of the project is 4.5 years. A fraudster who sold tickets to a fictitious concert of British singer Sting in Tbilisi through a phishing site has been detained in Georgia. Repairs to Rustaveli Avenue, the main avenue of the capital of Georgia, have been postponed until next year. A marketing campaign to promote Georgian wines in the U.S. market will become more extensive this year. It is planned to spend $520 million on the construction of a 4-lane bypass road around Tbilisi. The bypass road will consist of 4 sections with a total length of 51 kilometers. It is planned to build 48 bridges and 6 tunnels on the highway. Georgia has become a destination for budget tourists whose needs and interests are below average modern standards. When businesses have no other choice, hotels and restaurants are empty, prices are reduced. Representing Georgia, figure skaters Anastasia Mitiolkina and Luka Baruleva took 4th place in the pairs competition at the World Championships in Boston, USA. They received licenses to participate in the Winter Olympics, which will be held in Italy in February next year. The earthquake in Myanmar killed more than 2,000 people. May the kingdom of heaven be with the dead. Swiss airline Edelweiss Air will start operating direct regular flights Zurich-Tbilisi-Zurich from April 12. Russian airline Red Wings will start operating flights from Nizhny Novgorod to Tbilisi and Batumi from the end of April. Good luck to all of you.